Hi, welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial we will talk about converting region sewing to line sewing. Let's go into our shape menus and grab a shape. I'm going to choose a circle for this one. We will click our left mouse button, hold our shift key down, and draw out our shape. Let's change the running stitch to a not sewn line, and that leaves us with the region fill stitch. Let's go ahead and click on the drop down menu and choose flexible spiral stitch. If you look to the right into sewing attributes, you'll have an option to change spacing, run pitch, start points. Let's change the spacing to something that you like. I'm going to keep it at 5.0, but you can certainly choose something that you like. And then we're going to go back to our design area, and we're going to go under shapes. It should still be selected. You'll have your flexible spiral stitch, and to the right of that you will see convert region to line. Let's click on that. Now it gives you the option to change that to a line stitch. Click on the drop down menu and choose chain stitch. On the right hand side of your screen you have sewing attributes, which will allow you to choose the stitch type of your chain stitch, and you can also adjust the sizing of your chain stitch as well. And that's how you convert region to line sewing. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that we can help others learn as well. Thank you for watching.